Artificial intelligence is becoming a normal tool in many jobs and businesses. In the last 2 years, thousands of people in the United States started using AI tools to improve their income. But it is important to understand one thing clearly. AI does not magically print money. Instead, it helps people work faster, reduce costs, and create new opportunities. One of the most common ways people are using AI to earn money is freelancing. Platforms like writing marketplaces, design services, and marketing agencies now use AI tools to speed up their work. For example, a freelance writer might use AI to generate research ideas, outlines, or first drafts, and then edit and improve the content before delivering it to clients. This allows them to complete more projects in less time. Another growing area is AI-assisted content creation. Many YouTube channels, blogs, and social media pages now use AI for scripting, idea generation, and video editing support. Instead of replacing creators, AI acts like an assistant that helps with brainstorming and production. Some creators use AI to produce educational videos, finance explainers, or short-form content for platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Small businesses are also using AI to save money and increase efficiency. For example, online stores use AI tools to write product descriptions, generate marketing emails, and analyze customer behavior. This helps them run their businesses without hiring large teams. A small business owner who learns to use these tools properly can manage more tasks on their own. Another realistic opportunity is automation services. Some people learn how to connect AI tools with business software to automate repetitive work. For example, a company may want automatic customer replies, document summaries, or data analysis. Someone who understands AI tools can set up these systems and charge businesses for the service. AI is also being used in data analysis and research. Professionals in finance, marketing, and consulting use AI to quickly analyze large amounts of data. Instead of spending hours reviewing spreadsheets or reports, AI can summarize key insights in minutes. This does not remove the need for human judgment, but it makes decision-making much faster. And then use AI as a tool to improve their productivity. In other words, AI works best when it supports real knowledge and experience. In the coming years, AI will likely become part of many industries. People who learn how to combine AI tools with practical skills may find new ways to work more efficiently and create additional income streams. But just like any other technology, the real value comes from how people use it, not from the tool itself.